Hello guys, it's Captain Katz, and I finally got it. And I know you saw this on my community post. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I was trying so hard to resist opening this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that you saw my foot. Excuse me. I also have a bit of a mukbang. Yeah. Or because I had Mickey D. Then oh my god, dude. Dude, this is so cool. I love this. I love this. I'm not gonna use this for the board game. I just want really cool stuff. Oh my god, I love these so much. Okay, but let's get this over. Season. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. I'm probably gonna do a walkthrough of the menus at a later time, but oh my god, I know I'm gonna watch this. Jesus Christ, I love this show. I think you know why. Oh my god, fucking Spanky. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. I'm really excited, so... But... That's all, folks, so... Bye-bye.